Nandito yung Secretary of Health, DOH, and the PRC. Aware po ba kayo na itong matagal nang nangyayari yung pambubuli sa mga first year and second year resident doctors sa mga ospital? Alam niyo po ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair, alam po natin ang ganitong sistema. Hindi naman po sa lahat ng ospital at hindi po sa lahat ng department. May specific departments na mas matindi ang bullying.
Yes, so alam niyo po. So ano
Alam
po yung
po na-
ginawa niyo nung nalaman dito?
Actually, yung aking predecessor po, yung Health Secretary nung 2021, ay nag-create ng Technical Working Group for a policy on a safe and conducive work environment for medical residents under the Medical Residency Training Program.
When was this,
in various
Mr.
hospitals.
Secretary?
This is Department Personnel Order 2021-3129. At nandito po yung
Anong
ating
year po
chair.
yan, sir?
2021 po.
2020, anong month po?
November